how to delete all watch history on TikTok. To get started, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be brought to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Over here, go to Activity Center. And then, tap on Watch History. Here you can find your recently watched TikToks. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on Select. Then, tap on Select All Watch History at the bottom left corner. After that, tap on Delete beside it. Tap on Delete again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted your watch history from the past 180 days. Following these steps, you can easily delete all watch history on TikTok.